favorite thing to do was walk 18 holes of golf. My hips started hurting. I thought it was a muscular thing, so I was doing yoga poses in between shots. And then it just wasn't getting better. The day before Thanksgiving, Wednesday before Thanksgiving, somebody said you need to go see Dr. Sukin. Dr. Sukin got me in on December 15th, 2015. And I had my hip replaced. It was an evening surgery. I was home the next morning at 10 a.m. Everything went extraordinarily well. March 30th, I went on a golf trip to Phoenix, and I couldn't play a full 18 holes of golf, even in a cart, but I played 14 or 15 a day, and I was given my life back. It was like somebody handed my life back to me. I highly recommend Dr. Sukin and Ortho Montana for any hip issues that you may have down the road.